We have a hemispherical shell here, and the aim is to create a flange on the side. The main issue with using a simple extrude is that there will be a gap here due to the curved face. If you look at the post, there are suggestions to use revolve or sweep, or you can simply sketch a profile that extends into the base of the hemisphere. For me, I would often try to avoid this type of arbitrary overlapping. Let's try to use one of my favorite commands, and that is a rip command. Go to Create, Rip. For Profile, select the arc and a straight line. We want to extrude upwards, so set thickness direction to one side. Adjust the thickness. If you see an error, try flipping the direction. As we increase the thickness, the command automatically conforms to the face of the hemisphere, filling up any gaps. Depending on the geometry, there will come a point where the rib extends to the other side. So do take note of this limit.